In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text to numbers in Excel. If you've ever wanted your numbers to display with labels like units, codes, or short notes without breaking your calculations, this method is perfect. We'll use a simple custom number format so the text shows up with your values, while the cells remain real numbers you can still sort, filter, and use in formulas. Start by selecting the cells that contain the numbers you want to format. You can click a single cell or drag across a range if you want to apply the same display to multiple values at once. Make sure you've highlighted everything you want to change before moving on. With those cells selected, right-click anywhere in the selection and choose Format Cells. That opens the main formatting window where you control how numbers look. This is where we'll tell Excel to show your number followed by the text you want. In the Format Cells window, go to the Number tab and choose Custom from the list on the left. Custom is where you can build your own display rules. Don't worry, what we'll type is straightforward and very flexible. In the type box, enter a pattern that combines your number and your text. The key is to type the number placeholder first, then your text inside double quotes. For a basic setup, type 0 text. The 0 represents your number, and anything inside the quotes is shown as text. If you want a space between the number and the text, put that space inside the quotes, like 0 units or 0 kg. If you prefer the text before the number, place the quoted text first and the number after it. For example, ID 0. Need decimals? Replace 0 with something like 0.00 kg to always show two decimal places. The quotes are required, and you only type the words you want to see inside them. No formulas needed. When you're satisfied with the format you've typed, click OK. Instantly, the selected cells will display your numbers with the text exactly as you specified. Behind the scenes, they're still numeric values. That means your sums, averages, and charts will continue to work as expected, and you can change the text format later without editing the underlying data. That's it. By selecting your cells, opening Format Cells, choosing Custom, typing a simple pattern like 0 text, and confirming with OK, you've added clear, consistent labels to your numbers while keeping your data fully functional.